Adobe Journey Optimizer sets the stage for one-to-one personalization at scale, so you can tailor your content to every customer and magnify the impact of your next campaign. The Personalization Workspace within Journey Optimizer lets you address customers based on their specific actions or inactions, integrate their names and other details into marketing content, and customize messaging based on their unique attributes. You can personalize everything, including images, subject lines, links, offers, and more based on customer context to deliver memorable experiences that drive meaningful results. Use reusable content blocks to repurpose content that resonates with customers, saving time and ensuring message consistency across journeys and campaigns. Journey Optimizer allows you to segment and target customers based on variables like their loyalty tier or history with your brand. You can also choose when, how, and how often to target customers with personalized messages. Journey Optimizer also integrates with other Adobe solutions, giving you a breadth of data to harness for hyper-personalization. Unlock unmatched personalization flexibility through Adobe Journey Optimizer and leave a lasting impression on your target audience.